If you're dealing with an LG front-load washer, you might notice that the gasket, or door seal, can collect dirt, soap scum, and even mildew over time. Regular cleaning is key to preventing unwanted odors and keeping your washer in top shape. I'll walk you through exactly how to clean gasket on LG front-load washer and make sure it stays fresh and free of grime. To get started, gather a few simple supplies: a soft cloth, white vinegar or bleach, warm water, and an old toothbrush for hard-to-reach spots. These items will help lift the buildup from the gasket without causing damage. First, open the washer door and gently pull back the gasket to expose the inner folds. These folds are often where dirt and detergent residue hide, so take your time inspecting the area. Take a soft cloth, dip it in a mixture of 1 part white vinegar or bleach to 4 parts warm water, and start wiping down the gasket thoroughly. As you work, make sure to reach every fold and crease. This is essential when learning how to clean gasket on LG front-load washer effectively. If you encounter any stubborn spots, the toothbrush will come in handy. Dip it in the cleaning solution and gently scrub any areas where grime or mildew might be clinging. The bristles will help reach into the crevices, where regular wiping may not be enough. After scrubbing, wipe the gasket again with a clean cloth dipped in warm water to remove any remaining cleaning solution. After you've cleaned the gasket, leave the washer door open for a few hours to let the area fully dry. This helps prevent mildew from forming again, as moisture is one of the main causes of buildup around the gasket. In fact, a good habit to adopt is to leave the washer door slightly open between loads. This simple step can help prevent moisture from accumulating in the future. For ongoing care, consider repeating this process about once a month. Taking a few minutes to clean the gasket regularly will make a big difference in keeping your washer functioning well and free of odors. Now that you know how to clean gasket on LG front-load washer, you'll find it's a quick and easy part of routine maintenance. Keeping up with this task not only helps your washer stay clean and fresh, but also extends its lifespan. If you follow these steps on how to clean gasket on LG front-load washer, you'll enjoy fresher-smelling laundry and fewer issues with your machine. Remember, routine cleaning goes a long way, so don't hesitate to add this step to your monthly routine. If you have any questions or run into any issues while cleaning, feel free to reach out. Keeping your LG washer in top condition is easier than it seems.